Ever feel like you're falling behind? Like everyone's living their best life while you're stuck wondering how they can afford it? Trust me, you're not alone. Scrolling through Instagram, you see those vacation pics, the new phones, the clothes, and you start to question, how is everyone else doing this? It can feel like everyone else has got it figured out, but I'm here to tell you, most people don't. Most teens never learn the secrets to financial success until it's too late, but today we're going to break that cycle. In this video, we're diving deep into the 5 financial habits every single teenager needs to build before they hit 20. These habits, my friends, are the foundation for a future where you're in control, where you call the shots, and where you can actually afford the things you want. Let's get started. Alright, habit number 1, and this is non-negotiable: track every single rupee or dollar you spend. This might sound tedious, but trust me, it's the foundation of financial awareness and control. Look, I get it, budgeting sounds about as fun as watching paint dry, right? But here's the kicker. It's not just about the act of writing things down, it's about understanding your spending habits. But here's the thing, most teens, they spend without even realizing where their money is going. It's like being on autopilot, swiping your card or handing over cash without a second thought. Think about it, those daily chais, those samosas after school, those impulse buys at the mall, they all add up. Each small purchase might seem insignificant, but collectively they can drain your wallet faster than you realize. It's like death by 1,000 cuts for your wallet. Each little expense is a tiny cut, and before you know it, your wallet is bleeding dry. You gotta start by becoming aware of where your money is actually going. Awareness is the first step towards making better financial decisions. Write down every single expense, every single one. It might seem like overkill, but it's crucial for getting a clear picture of your spending habits. Or even better, use a budgeting app. These apps can make the process easier and more efficient, and many of them come with additional features to help you manage your money better. There are tons of them out there, many for free. Apps like Mint, YNAB, or even simple ones like Expense Manager can be game changers. You can use Google Sheets, Notion, or whatever works for you. The tool isn't as important as the habit itself. The point is, you need to see the flow of your money. Visualizing your expenses can help you identify patterns and areas where you can cut back. Trust me, this one little habit is going to be a game changer. It might feel like a chore at first, but the benefits far outweigh the effort. When I first started tracking my expenses, I was shocked. I had no idea how much I was spending on things that didn't really matter to me. I was spending more on junk food than I was saving in an entire month. It was a real eye-opener and made me rethink my spending priorities. That was a serious wake-up call. It made me realize that I needed to be more intentional with my money. And it's the same for so many people. Once you start tracking, you'll likely find areas where you can save or spend more wisely. You might be surprised by what you find, but that surprise is the first step towards better financial health. So start today and take control of your financial future. Habit number 2, save at least 10% of every single rupee or dollar you earn. Whether it's your pocket money, your part-time job income, or even cash gifts from relatives, put 10% aside before you even think about spending it. This is non-negotiable. This 10% is your financial foundation. It's your safety net. It's what's going to save you when you need it most. Imagine, you really want to buy something, a new phone maybe, but you don't have the cash. Now you could put it on a credit card and get stuck with those nasty interest charges, or you could have that money ready to go because you've been diligently saving 10% of everything you earn. Which scenario sounds better? This small habit of saving 10% consistently grows into a safety net that will help you weather any financial storm that comes your way. I'm talking about unexpected expenses, emergencies, or even just having the freedom to pursue opportunities that you wouldn't have been able to otherwise. Your future self will thank you, trust me. Chapter 3. Learn basic investing. This chapter is all about taking your financial knowledge to the next level. Habit number 3, and this is where things get really exciting. Learn how to invest. Investing is not just for the wealthy or the financially savvy, it's for everyone, including you. Okay, saving is crucial, it's the foundation, but investing? Investing is the next step that can significantly amplify your financial growth. Investing is how you build real wealth. It's about making your money work for you, creating opportunities for it to grow exponentially over time. It's how you make your money work for you, even while you sleep. Imagine waking up richer than you were the day before, just because you made smart investment choices. Now you might be thinking, investing? Isn't that for old people with suits and briefcases? Absolutely not. Investing is for everyone, regardless of age or attire. The younger you start investing, the more time your money has to grow. Time is one of the most powerful tools in investing. I'm talking about the magic of compound interest. This is where your money earns interest, and then that interest earns interest, and then that interest earns even more interest, and it just keeps snowballing over time. This is where your money earns interest, and then that interest earns interest, and then that interest earns even more interest, and it just keeps snowballing over time. It's like a financial avalanche of awesomeness. The earlier you start, the bigger the snowball gets. Start small, it doesn't have to be a lot. Even small, consistent investments can grow significantly over time. Even 500 rupees or $10 a month in a low-cost index fund, a mutual fund, or a systematic investment plan, SIP, can grow into lakhs or even crores over time, thanks to the power of compounding. Or a systematic investment plan, SIP, can grow into lakhs or even crores over time, thanks to the power of compounding. The key is consistency and patience. There are tons of resources available online, from blogs to video tutorials that can help you understand the basics of investing, and even apps that make investing super simple and accessible for beginners. These tools can guide you step by step through the process. Don't let the fear of the unknown hold you back. Start learning, start small, and watch your money grow. Investing is a journey, and every step you take brings you closer to financial freedom. Chapter 4. Avoid unnecessary debt. Habit number 4, avoid unnecessary debt like it's the plague. Debt can be a silent killer of your financial dreams. I cannot stress this enough. Debt can sneak up on you, and before you know it, you're in over your head. It's so easy to fall into the trap of, I'll just put it on my credit card and pay it off later. This mindset can lead to a dangerous cycle. But here's the thing, credit cards and loans, they come with this nasty little thing called interest. And that interest can be a real killer. And that interest, my friends, can quickly spiral out of control and leave you drowning in debt. It can feel like you're suffocating under a mountain of bills. If you can't afford to buy something in cash right now, you can't afford it. Period. This is a simple rule that can save you a lot of heartache. Don't let those shiny marketing campaigns and easy monthly payments fool you. They are designed to lure you into spending more than you can afford. They're designed to trap you in a cycle of debt. Once you're in, it can be incredibly hard to get out. I've seen it happen to so many people, even those older and supposedly wiser than you. They fall for the allure of instant gratification. They get lured in by the promise of instant gratification, and before they know it, they're stuck in a mountain of debt that feels impossible to escape. It's a trap that can take years to get out of. Don't let that be you. Be smarter than that. Make wise financial decisions now to avoid regret later. Focus on building a solid financial foundation by saving, investing, and avoiding debt like your financial future depends on it, because it truly does. Because guess what? It does. Your future self will thank you for the smart choices you make today. Chapter 5. Start a side hustle. And finally, habit number 5, start a side hustle. Your time and your skills are valuable, my friends. Whether you're into graphic design, coding, writing, social media, tutoring, or anything else, there's a way to monetize your skills and start earning extra money. And the best part? You learn so much more from real-world experience than you ever could from a textbook. You'll develop valuable skills like problem-solving, communication, and financial management, all while padding your bank account. Imagine this. Your friends are out there flipping burgers or working retail jobs, while you're building your own online business, freelancing for clients around the world, or teaching others what you're passionate about. Not only will you be earning money, but you'll also be gaining invaluable experience and building a network that will serve you well for years to come. Plus, having your own side hustle instills a sense of ownership, responsibility, and confidence that you just can't get from a traditional job. So there you have it, the 5 financial habits that will set you up for success, no matter what life throws your way. Track your expenses, save consistently, start investing, avoid unnecessary debt, and start a side hustle. These habits might seem small, even insignificant at times, but trust me, they have the power to completely transform your financial future. Don't wait until it's too late. Don't fall into the trap of thinking, I'll start saving when I get a real job, or investing is for when I'm older. The choices you make today will determine the life you live tomorrow. Which of these habits will you start today? Comment below, and let's make the journey to financial freedom together. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tips to master your money as a teenager. See you in the next video.